Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make Suji ka halwa. This halwa is so delicious and yummy. You can make it very easily and this recipe is perfect. You can make this halwa following these easy steps and your halwa will never fail and it's going to turn out really delicious. You can make it for any kind of occasion or you can just make it for your family and friends whenever you feel like. So let's check out what ingredients I'm going to use to make this suji ka halwa. 1 1/4 cup of fine semolina, 1 cup of sugar, 80 grams of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, few saffron strands, a pinch of food color, a cinnamon stick and few cardamoms. Few dry fruits for garnishing. I'm using almonds, walnuts and few cashew nuts. To make our halwa, what I've done is I've heated a kadhai and I'm going to dry roast the semolina on medium high heat. Make sure that you just stir frequently so that it doesn't burn from the bottom. We have to roast this until we get a nice aroma of the semolina. The color will change from light to golden. This will take around 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure your heat is on medium high heat. Alright, so I've been roasting this for around 7 to 8 minutes and it has been roasted very nicely. So now I've just switched off the flame and you can see that it's got a different color. So now what I'm going to do is empty this into a plate. Alright, now into the same kadai, what I'm doing is I've switched on the flame and it's on high heat. I'm going to add 4 cups of water. I'm using the same cup which I used to measure the semolina and sugar. So this is 4 cups of water. And into this I'm going to add the sugar, saffron, just a pinch of food color, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods. Just crack them. So just mix this up. And as soon as the sugar starts melting, we'll add our semolina. Okay, so our syrup is boiling nicely and now I'm going to add in the semolina. This will look very thin, but it will reduce and thicken up and become into a nice halwa. This measurement is just perfect. It won't fail ever. Only the thing is that your semolina should be roasted very nicely or else it will become lumpy and sticky. At this stage, please put on the flame on low and go on mixing it nicely. As you can see, it's becoming thick now. This is when you have to add in your butter. I'm using salted butter. If you're not using salted butter, you can use ghee also, pure ghee. But just add a pinch of salt. The salt gives a very nice taste. Alright, now this butter will give it a nice shine. Just go ahead and mix it nicely. So you can see how amazing it has turned out. just for 2 minutes I'm going to keep it on low flame and cover it and steam it for just 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove the lid and it's all done. As you can see, the halwa is all ready to be served. I'll garnish this with some dry fruits. You can use any dry fruits of your choice. Raisins, almonds, dried figs, dried cranberries, anything, whatever you like. It will give you a nice taste to it. Whichever taste you prefer, you can add in. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of coconut, desiccated coconut. This also gives a very nice taste. This is around 1 tablespoon. My Suji ka halwa is all done, and I hope you like the recipe. This halwa can be eaten as it is, or you can have this with some puris or parathas. I'll be sharing puri and paratha recipe for the halwa as well, inshallah. And hope you like it. Keep watching my videos and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.